Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion templates for client project kickoff, full guide step by step clearly. To update Notion templates for a client project kickoff, begin by accessing your Notion workspace. Navigate to the relevant Notion template you intend to update. Make a copy of the template to avoid modifying the original. Rename the copied template to reflect the specific client project. Review the sections of the template to identify what needs customization. Start with the project overview section, including client details and project goals. Update the timeline section with client-specific milestones and deadlines. Modify the task list to include activities and responsibilities relevant to this project. Adjust the team member assignments, ensuring each individual is accurately represented. Incorporate any client branding, such as logos or color schemes, to enhance personalization. Add relevant links and resources that will aid in project execution. Check the database views to ensure they align with the client's needs. Create custom properties if necessary to track specific project metrics. Review and update any existing notes or documentation within the template. Once all updates are made, double-check for accuracy and completeness. Share the updated template with your team for feedback. Make any final adjustments based on team input. Finally, present the updated template to the client during the kickoff meeting. Ensure the client has access to the Notion template for ongoing collaboration. This thorough approach will set the stage for a successful project kickoff. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.